reason why I moved.
Nope.
I just moved because I'm sick. I want to go to the hospital.
Don't resist.
I want to go to the hospital.
Put your hand behind your back right now.
To the hospital.
What's going on, y'all? Attorney Tom here. In today's video, I'm going to be reacting to a video entitled CEO Thinks He's Above the Law by Police Watch.
September 14th, 2023. A deputy conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle committing multiple traffic infractions.
Hello, Deputy Hines with the Sheriff's Office. Can I get your license, registration, and insurance, please? Put the drink down. I need your license.
It's a green tea.
Put the drink.
Ma'am.
Excuse you.
You're a bully. And I don't like woman bullies. Period.
Where are you headed today, sir?
I'm going to my doctor client. Ma'am. And guess what? You're messing with the wrong person. Goodbye.
I need your registration and your insurance, please, sir.
My insurance is on my phone.
Okay, I need your registration.
I'll take my sweet time, sweetheart.
It's fine.
You bully me, you're done.
So you don't know why you don't know why I stopped you?
What?
You don't know why?
What?
Because you're passing in a no passing, sir.
No,
Twice
I
you did.
Middle lane.
No, sir. No, sir, it's not. It's a breakdown lane, yellow.
In Delray Beach? You're
No,
allowed to pass.
not in Florida.
Delray Beach?
Is in Florida, sir.
Yeah.
You are not allowed to pass on a double solid yellow line or a double solid breakdown line, sir. You did it twice. I gave you the pass on the first one, and then you did it again.
I have no points.
Doesn't matter, sir. I need your registration, please, sir. I need your registration, please, sir.
Give you everything.
Okay.
All right?
Still live on. I need your registration, please, sir.
Miss Hines, please
Registration,
behave.
sir.
Do not
I
bully
am
me.
behaving,
Do not
sir.
bully me.
Do not
Do
raise
not
your voice
bully
at
me.
me, sir.
Do not bully
I've
me.
asked you
You're bullying me.
several
You're
times
bullying me.
for your registration, sir.
Yeah, I'm siding with the cop on this one. She's being pretty reasonable. This guy is off the hinges.
Bullying me.
Okay.
I don't like you. I really don't like you. Because you're not a good officer.
Okay.
I'll speak to your superior.
That's fine.
And here's the problem with being a jerk unnecessarily. If you don't have everything, this cop is now going to make sure she sticks it to you, right? There's going to be no leeway because you're being a jerk.
So when the little yellow sticker comes on, sir.
Ma'am, just don't tell me what to do.
Trying to help you find
No,
paperwork, sir.
I have everything here. I'm a CEO. I'm retired. I work part-time. It's hot. It's frustrating when people do 30 or 20 miles an hour. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Being a CEO who's also retired, which doesn't make sense, doesn't absolve you from the law.
When they are going on a 40-mile-an-hour speed limit, doing 20 miles an hour, you can't. Here you go, ma'am.
Okay, so you're handing me your cell phone.
That's my insurance.
Okay.
And now you want my registration.
Yes, sir. Here you go.
Southbound.
Put your cell phone back, sir. I don't want to
Don't
hold
just
on
drop
to
it. Hand it to me.
You were looking for paperwork.
Did that?
No,
I saw
sir, I did not. It's on camera. I did not, sir. I placed it down on your
why
hat.
don't you just give it to me?
This guy is the worst. This guy is the worst.
Because you're
A woman
looking for
should-
information.
Like a woman
So,
should give the phone to
Can I get your
a man.
registration, please, sir?
You know what? You're dealing with the wrong man.
Okay,
I'm a
sir.
CEO.
Okay.
I'm intelligent. I have the best attorneys in the world.
All right,
and
sir.
you're messing with the
Okay,
wrong
sir.
human being.
Okay.
Give me a fucking ticket. That's what you want to do. My registration is somewhere here, but I can't find it. You can tell if my car's registered. Go home. Go,
So you don't
go
have
back
your
to the car.
registration with you?
I have my registration
Okay,
with
can I
me.
please have it, sir? You're supposed to provide it.
You're a fucking bitch. That's what you are. There it is. That's the old one. That's the old one.
Do you have a current one, sir?
You can tell know if I'm registered. You know what?
Do you have the current one,
I
sir?
can't find it.
Okay, so you're telling me you don't have your current one. You're not going to look through the. Okay.
One more time. I can't find it.
Okay. So is everything good with your license, sir? It's not suspended
I
for
have
any
0
reason?
points, bitch.
So your license is not
I have
suspended?
0 points.
Okay. Stay in the car. I'll be right back with you, sir.
After a short while, the man sped off from the traffic stop and was found at a convenience store.
Okay, so if he sped off from the traffic stop, now it's getting bad. I mean, that's probably a felony.
They're coming.
The reason why I moved.
Nope.
I just moved because I'm sick.
Don't
I
resist
want to
me,
go to the
sir.
hospital.
Don't resist
I want to go to the
your
hospital.
hand behind your back
wanna
right
go
now.
to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital. Ma'am, I
Turn
want
around
to.
and put your hand behind your back.
I'm sick.
Now.
Ma'am, I'm sick. I'm
Grab
sick.
me one more
I'm
time.
sick. I'm sick.
Get
I'm
on
sick.
the ground.
So now he is probably resisting arrest as well. So evading an officer, evading arrest, resisting arrest. If he keeps this up, it's probably going to be assault on the officer with how much physical interaction they're having.
Behind my
Now.
back. I'm sick. Oh my God, you're gonna be in trouble. I'm gonna sue you for everything you got.
I can imagine the lawyer trying to take this case. He's going to look at his client, the suspect, and tell him to get out of their office.
All I did is pull over here so I can get some medicine. I need medicine, man. Oh man, you're in
10,
trouble.
15.
You're in trouble. I need medicine. Take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital.
You're going to
I need
stop.
medicine. There's something wrong with her. She's brutal. She's brutal.
Notice how she's looking inside of the pockets. What she's doing now is something called a SITLA, a search incident to a lawful arrest. Because he is arrested, because there's probable cause for a bunch of stuff at this point, she is allowed to not only frisk, right, not more than just frisk, right? She's allowed to see what is on the immediate person. So she's allowed to look in to the pockets to discover what is on the individual.
She's brutal. They kill people this way. Ma'am, I'm a CEO. Oh my God, she's checking my pockets. You take any money out of my wallet, you're done. Call the head sheriff. Please, call the head sheriff. Call the head sheriff. Please, call the head sheriff. I'm sick. Wait till you find out how sick I am. Here, ma'am. Here,
Stop moving. You're going to end up on the ground. Do you understand me?
Help! 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 Can I have a sheriff, please? Another sheriff, please. I want another sheriff, please. No, please! Another sheriff! Oh my God! Oh my God! She's killing me! Hold on. I want another sheriff here.
Have a seat.
Yeah, so this is actually a common theme that we see in these videos. People always ask for a supervisor or another sheriff or whatever. You don't have a right. You don't have a right to speak to a supervisor. You don't have a right to another sheriff or another police officer or another competing police enforcement jurisdiction. You know, whether it's a constable, sheriff, local PD. You don't have that right.
Have a
Ma'am,
seat.
you're killing me.
Sit down.
I'm sick.
Put your feet in now.
I can't.
Put
Ma'am.
your feet in
Ma'am,
now.
I want to see another sheriff. That's all I want to see. I just
Put
want to see another sheriff. I have my
your
right.
feet in.
I will put it in, but I want to see another
Now.
sheriff. Can't you answer me?
Now.
The answer is no. She has no obligation, dude.
Then get your butt in the car now.
You're hurting me.
I'm not. Get in the car.
I am so sick you can't imagine. I'm going to the
Get
hospital.
in the car.
I'm going to the hospital.
Now.
Can I see another sheriff?
10-4.
Oh my God.
Put your feet in.
I have to go to the hospital. I have to. I'm very ill. Man, You're gonna get lawsuit. You're gonna get a lawsuit. You're gonna suffer. You have no fucking... You have
Maybe
no
you should have
kindness.
thought about
You have
that
no
before you
kindness.
drove away
I
from the
told you I
traffic
was sick
stop.
10 times! 10 times! I go to the hospital! I want to 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 go to the hospital!
Slowly, I'll go.
Yeah. So anyway, we were right out on Savannah, right? He kept revving his engine.
Yeah.
Does not like females whatsoever.
That's why I started. That's why I came back.
So I started, I'm writing my tickets, right? I'm on this, getting ready on the second one. He hauls butt into here, parks right there. I haul butt into here. He goes to walk in. I said, I knocked the drink out of his hand, and I went hands-on with him, because I'm like, I'm done. He was resisting. Just stay in your car.
I
With
had to
the
get
AC.
medicine! I had to get...
They don't have medicine at Cumberland,
Of course
sir.
they do. They have Valerian.
Sit up.
I
Sit
want
up,
to go to the
sir.
hospital.
Sit up.
Shut up! I want to go to the hospital! I want to go to the hospital!
Do you know who this guy reminds me of? You guys ever? Oh, what's the actor's name? He's great. The Princess Bride. You know, the guy from The Princess Bride who is the initial antagonist at the very beginning. You know, the bald guy who inconceivable. You know, because he thinks he's so smart. That's who this guy reminds me.
I can't sit up.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Step out.
Can I go to the hospital,
No,
please?
step out.
Why? I'm in pain, sir.
Move.
You don't understand.
Don't move.
I have nothing on me. I'm a CEO. I don't know why this whole thing happened. I have no weapons. I have no nothing. I'm a sick man. I'm a sick man, sir. I want to go to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital. Can I speak to your chief? I want to go to the hospital. Ma'am, I want to go to the hospital. I'm sick. I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. There's going to be a big lawsuit. There's going to be a huge lawsuit.
Listen, we'll get you.
I got to go to the hospital.
Okay, we'll get you.
I want to lock my car up and go to the hospital. Please, sir.
You're under arrest, so.
But I did nothing wrong. I want to go to the hospital.
You left a traffic. Oh, whatever. There's no reasoning with this guy.
You're like,
Sir, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
well, I gotta pat you down, make sure you.
I have nothing. I'm the CEO.
Oh, that's good.
You know what? I think you're finished.
Thank you.
You too.
Thank you.
You two are finished.
Thank you.
You know why? Because I told her I was sick and she didn't listen, so I came in here to get medicine. There's medicine that helps me that they sell here.
What is it called?
It's called generic Tylenol. It's like high, but very high dose Tylenol.
Generic Tylenol. Yeah.
I can't, sir.
All right.
I want to go to the hospital, sir.
Have a seat, or I'm gonna put you in there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can I go to the hospital, please?
Okay. If you need
Mr.
medical
Appler,
attention, we'll get you
Mr.
attention.
Appler, can
We'll
I
get you
go
the attention you
to...
need, but have a seat.
You want to know something?
Have a seat.
In this would never... Sir! This would never happen in Palm Beach County, ever! Ever!
Well, this ain't
I want to
Palm
see a chief
Beach
of police. What hospital are we going to? Ma'am, what hospital are we going to? I'm recording this whole thing.
They're recording this whole thing too, and the recording's not great for the suspect.
What hospital are we going to, ma'am? What hospital are we going to, ma'am? You are an asshole. You don't answer, you're a bitch. And you're a dyke. The way you manhandled me, I know who you are. You're a female bitch. And if I don't get to the hospital, you're going to be sued forever. For millions. And your department will be taken down. Where's my sneaker?
It's in your car, sir.
Boy, are you going to be sued if you can't imagine. Your name is going to be mush when I'm done. I asked you to take me to the hospital 10, 15 times. It's all recorded. And you ain't going to get the recording. What is your name, man? What is your name, ma'am?
Well, you've already seen it because you've already called me by my last name. It's Hines,
What
sir.
is your name, ma'am?
You know, kudos to this police officer. She was actually extremely patient, I thought, even in the beginning. I mean, he came in hot, and she was just trying to write a ticket and be on her way.
Well, when you stop talking, okay, you saw it on my shirt because you've already said it, and it's Heinz, sir.
Officer Heinz. Heinz ketchup. Ah! Drive carefully, bitch! You got these cuffs on so tight. I'm not a criminal.
If you weren't resisting, sir,
No, ma'am.
they wouldn't have had to been on the way they are on.
I calmed down.
No, sir,
Ma'am,
you
ma'am.
did not.
Calm down. 15 seconds ago, you were yelling at the police officer.
I have a very severe illness.
Okay.
You don't listen to me. What is wrong with you?
Well, I've heard everything that you've said, sir.
You want to bet? They're going to check my records right now, and I'm going to have you fired. I swear to God, I'm going to have you fired. This is not a hospital. Understand? I have to go to the hospital.
This guy loves the fact that he's a CEO. He's a CEO. He's a CEO.
Please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, sweetie. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm very sick, ma'am. I'm going into heat stroke.
Had the
I'm
air,
going to heat stroke.
the air was on.
No, the air was not on.
And the petition's open, so.
The air was not on, ma'am. The air was not on, ma'am.
Alright, that's fine. That's why I opened the door so you can get
Thank
air
you.
in there.
You're the
okay?
only sweet one here. The other guy manhandled me and she manhandled me. I did not resist. I went to get my medicine. It's a special Tylenol.
It's a special Tylenol? He said earlier it was a generic Tylenol. And not that that makes a difference, but...
She said, you're going to jail. I'm not going to jail. I'm going to the hospital.
Well, you're at the jail right now.
No, I'm going to the hospital.
We'll take you to the hospital
Thank
after.
you. Wait till you see what's wrong with me. I'm very, very ill. I almost died a month ago. There was no reason for what happened. I pulled over to the 7-Eleven to get the extra strength Tylenol because I'm
But,
not well.
sir, hey, let me explain to you something. When we do a traffic stop on you, you can't drive away.
I didn't. I just pulled over to the right.
But you can't do that.
The-
Because we don't know what's
Okay.
inside that
I
car.
apologize,
We don't know
but
what's
you
on
understand when you're in my condition, you have to.
That's something that you should have explained to this deputy.
No, she knew I was sick. She ignored me 10, 15 times.
Lower your voice.
10, 15 times.
To yell.
10, 15 times she ignored me. She doesn't realize. Wait till you find out when I get to the hospital how sick I am. You know what? I'm going to sue your police department.
Here, I'll show them.
I'm gonna sue you.
First of all, stop. Okay? You didn't even give me a chance to say good afternoon or anything like that before you start talking to me like
Good
that.
afternoon, sir.
So calm down.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, we got steps that we got to follow, and then we'll talk about the other stuff.
I did
Come
not
out of the
do
car.
wrong. I just passed.
I got it. I'm just making sure you understand where we're going.
Okay.
Come out of the car.
Thank you.
Slide forward.
Are you Frank Schneider?
Slide forward.
Are you Frank Schneider?
Slide forward.
I have no strength.
Stand up.
I can't.
Stand up.
I can't.
Stand up. It was enough, all right, to drink?
I didn't drink, sir.
No?
I did not drink.
No?
I'm You don't listen. Where's the nurse? I'm going to go into a coma. I have severe diabetes. I'm going to go into a coma.
Have some water, please.
Sir, there is no water in here,
Okay.
so I cannot provide you water
Because
right
my majority,
You
and
can't
it
finish in here.
dehydrates my body, and that's the sicker I'm going to get.
Sir, once you're placed in a holding cell, I believe there's water
I want to go
fountain.
to a hospital.
Okay,
Holding cell. Oh my God. This is the worst nightmare of my life.
okay, sir, just to let you know, the following is being video recorded, okay?
I thank you very much.
Okay, listen to
It
me.
will prove that I'm a very sick human
Okay,
being.
sir, I'll give you an opportunity to talk,
Okay.
So the reason I am here is to conduct a DUI investigation, okay?
Fine. Go ahead. I didn't drink.
Okay,
I
listen.
I drank green tea
Okay,
for 3 hours today. I was going into heat exhaustion.
okay. Because you are under the arrest, I am offering you to provide a breath test. Are you
Sure.
willing to take this
Sure.
breath test?
No
Yes?
problem.
Okay, so they do believe he's intoxicated, so they're also going to conduct a DUI investigation. Here's what's interesting about that. He's arrested. The police have asked if he's willing to cooperate with these investigations. Now, what you need to know is whatever state you're in is going to have different laws. It could be an additional crime to refuse these sort of tests, but in some cases, it's the lesser of two evils, and the general attorney recommendation is to actually refuse these tests. But of course, that's going to depend on the state and your specific circumstance, and that's why you should talk to a local lawyer. But here, it sounds like he consented. I think this guy's already dug his own grave, so.
And you end up in the hospital, your blood sugar goes crazy, and everything goes crazy. I almost died a month ago.
When I tell you to do so, what you're going to do is take a deep breath in, create a tight seal with your mouth around the mouthpiece, and blow out.
Okay.
It has to be a constant breath out.
Okay.
You can't stop until I tell you to do so,
Okay, then can I go to the hospital once you find out I'm not
Once we're
drunk?
done with this, yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. And how do I get my car?
Your car got towed.
But who pays for that?
That's going to be up to you.
I'll have to call Brick Bradshaw, call my attorney and have him call Schneider.
Getting your car back is, it's expensive, don't get me wrong. It's like $300 to $500, but hiring an attorney is going to be a lot more than that, dude.
Your first breath sample is 0.028. And then
I
your
had
second,
Tito's last night.
Okay, listen. And then your second breath sample is 0.028. So it is under the legal
I
limit.
had Tito's last night.
Okay.
1 Tito's.
Okay.
Last night. Thank you.
And he was charged with resisting arrest without violence. Wow, I can't believe that is the only charge. He might get out lucky. Did the police do everything correct? Yes. Yes. Just yes. They had obviously probable cause once he left the traffic stop. That was not great. That guy did everything wrong, people. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye.
Big verdict.